Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel at kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, welcome to my channel. Welcome again for another grade 10 math lesson. So this time, ang pag-aaralan natin ay under pa rin ang division of polynomials, but this time, it is all about synthetic division. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, we have two ways in dividing polynomials. The first one is through long division and the second one is through synthetic division. Okay, so primarily, hindi lahat applicable kay synthetic division. So meron siyang restriction. So ano 'yun? We cannot use synthetic division unless yung ating divisor, okay, yung divisor natin, eto, yan, is written in x minus r. Okay, so dapat isang variable lang and then dapat isa lang yung degree niya. Okay, so mamaya explain ko ng maigi sa inyo kung paano yung ginagawa ko para mas madali ko siyang ma-determine. Okay, so this time, primarily lahat ng examples natin are applicable for synthetic division. Okay, so we will be, bakit mas madali si synthetic division kay long division? First, si synthetic division will only deal with the coefficient. Pag sinabi natin coefficient, lahat lang ng numbers. I-disregard natin for a while yung ating mga variable, which is x, ayan. Kaya naman y minsan, kung ano yung variable na given. Again, mas madali si synthetic in a way that we will be dealing with the coefficient only. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do in dividing using synthetic division is to what? To identify if it is written in standard form. Okay. Pag sinabi natin standard form, dapat decreasing yung degrees. Okay. So as you notice, 3, 2, and then 0. So decreasing naman siya. But there is a missing term. Ano yung missing term natin? X raised to 1. So gagawin lang natin 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 0x raised to 1, or kahit wala na siyang raise pala, plus 8. Plus 8 divided by x plus 2. Okay. Then, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we will only deal with the coefficient. Ano yung mga coefficient natin? Ako yung color niya. No? So, ito yung mga coefficient natin. 3, 4, 0, 8. Okay. And then afterwards, titignan nyo naman ngayon si divisor. Ang ginagawa ko dito, I'm just equating divisor into 0. So, x plus 2 equals 0. So, dapat ang matira si x lang. So, x is equal to, transpose natin si 2 sa right side, it will become negative 2. So, we will use negative 2. And then, isusulat lang natin lahat ng coefficient ni dividend in a one line. So, we have 3, 4, 0, and then 8. Ayan. Lalagay tayo ng semi-box. Tapos dito naman, meron tayong semi-box ulit. Ilalagay natin si divisor, which is negative 2. Okay, so nakaline na siya. So the first thing that we need to do is to bring down 3. Bring down natin si 3. And then we will multiply 3 by negative 2. 3 by negative 2, it will become what? Negative 6. And then, i-add lang natin si 4 at si negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. Negative 2, same process ulit. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then add lang ulit. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And then add lang ulit 0. Yung last part natin, ito, last part natin will be or will serve as our remainder. But as you notice, since it is 0, that means yung ating polynomial, nung dinivide natin, wala siyang remainder. Okay. Next is to write it in its final answer. So, paano natin to sinusulat into its final answer? Okay. Lagi tayong nagma-minus ng isa kay degree. If it is raised to 3, itong sagot natin dito will only raise to 1. Okay, so ngayon, this time, lalagyan muna natin siya ng mga x3. raised to 3, it will be raised to 2 na lang kasi minus 1 sa degree. So, 3x squared na siya minus 2x plus 4. Ayan. So, eto lang yung mga yun, no? Si negative 2, tsaka si 4. Ayan. Since wala remainder, wala na tayong i-add sa kanya. Okay, ganun tayo nagpe-perform using synthetic division. Okay. So, let's have another example. Let us divide x raised to 4 plus 8x squared minus 5x cubed minus 2 plus 15x by x minus 3. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to arrange it in standard form. Why? Kasi hindi siya sunod-sunod. So, ang highest degree natin ay x raised to 4. So, x raised to 4. Susunod, si negative or minus 5x cubed, followed by positive 8x squared, followed by positive 15x, at yung walang kasamang x, which is negative 2. Divided by, itong x minus 3 natin, equate natin into 0. X is equal to transpose negative 3, it will become positive 3. So, gagamitin natin ay positive 3. Okay, next, let's identify if there is missing degrees. So, we have 4, 3, 2, and then 1, and then 0. So, this time, wala tayong missing degree. So, the next thing that we need to do is to what? Write all our coefficient. So, ito ay 1 kasi wala siyang kasama, automatic may 1 na coefficient yan. So, we have 1, negative 5, negative 5, we have 8, positive 8, positive 15, and then negative 2. Then afterwards, semi-box, lagay natin dito sa labas si 3. Okay, the first step, again, bring down 1. Bring down 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 8 plus negative 6 is positive 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 21. And 21 times 3 is 63. Negative 2 plus 63 is 61. So, it will serve as our remainder. Again, we can only use synthetic division if our divisor is written in x minus r, ha? Tandaan nyo yun. Okay. So, now, subtract tayo ng isa kay degree. Since it is raised into 4, yung final answer natin will be raised into 3. So, we have 1x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 21 plus 61 over, yung remainder natin, 61 over yung ating divisor, which is x minus 3. O pwedeng hindi nyo na ilagay si 1 dito kasi 1 times x cubed is simply x cubed. Ay, hindi na box ng maayos. That is our final answer. Ayan. This is our final answer. Okay, another example, yung mahirap-hirap ng konti. 6x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 minus 32x cubed minus 20x squared plus 5x minus 8 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, baka sabihin nyo, sir, 2x minus 3 is not written in x minus r. Pwede po ba namin gamitin si synthetic division? Okay, pwede. Why? Because, as you notice, our x is only raised to 1. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, i-equate na lang natin siya into 0. So, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Lipat natin si negative 3, it will become positive 3 over 2 over 2. So, x is equal to 3 over 2. So, 3 over 2 yung gagamitin natin. So, kung masyadong ma-overwhelm kapag ka fraction siya. So, we will still follow the same procedure. Okay, next, identify natin if it is written in standard form. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then x raised to 0, 0. So that means it is written in standard form. Okay, and then wala na naman tayong missing degree. So that means we may now proceed in dividing it using synthetic division. So una, identify natin yung mga coefficient. We have 6, we have negative 1 here, negative 32, negative 20, positive 5, positive 8. So we will write 6, negative 1, negative 32, negative 20, positive 5, and then 8. Sorry. And then, yan, semi-box. Then, lagay natin dito si 3 over 2. Yan, 3 over 2. Una, bring down 6. 6 times 3 over 2. So, 6 divided by 2, hindi tayo mag-multiply ng fraction. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Times 3 is 9. Negative 1 plus 9 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 32 plus 12 is negative 20. Negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10 times 3 is negative 30. Negative 20 plus negative 30 is negative 50. Negative 50 divided by 2 is negative 25 times 3 is negative 75. 5 plus negative 75 is negative 70. Negative 70 divided by 2 is negative 35 times 3 is negative 105. 8 plus negative 105 is negative 97. Okay. So, ito na yung final answer natin. We will now put our variable na x. So, itong negative 97 is our remainder. So, we have 6x minus 1 tayo. So, x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus 20x squared minus 50x minus 70 plus negative 90 over, yung divisor natin is 2x minus 3. Or pwede natin gamitin si, ito, 2x minus 3. Ayan, so rewrite ko lang ulit, we have 6x raised to 4 plus 8x cubed minus 20x squared minus 50x minus 70 plus negative 90 over 2x minus 3. Okay, so as you notice, si 6, 8, negative 20, negative 50, negative 70 are both divisible by 2. So, pwede pa tayong simplify pa or pwede pa natin paliitin yung sagot natin by dividing it by 2. So, pwede tayong mag-divide ng 2. So, si 6x raised to 4 magiging 3x raised to 4 na lang plus 4x cubed minus 10x squared. Pwede na naman ito yung final answer. Pero para mas maliit pa yung maging sagot. Minus 25x minus 35 plus si negative 90 over 2x minus 3, pag divide natin yan into 2, it will become times 1 half. Times 1 half tayo ngayon. Sorry, negative 97 pala. Si 97 yan. Times 1 half. So, it will become negative 90 over 2 times 2x minus 3. So, it will become negative 90 over 2 times 2x is 4x minus 6. Ayan. 97. 97. Ayan. So, we have plus negative 97 over 4x minus 6. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Pwede naman na ito na yung final answer natin para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Okay, nire-write ko lang siya into another form para mas magiging maliit yung mga values natin. Okay? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.